Hi guys, it's Caleb today.
We're going to go ahead and fade the lights out.
And this is Big
Start up
Bird's
the
Adventure,
load
One World,
process,
One Sky.
And it's already done. That's terrific. I love that. We're going to go ahead and start once again.
Wow, look at those clouds. Oh my god. Sesame Street, One World, One Sky, Big Bird's Adventure. A production of Sesame Street Bookshop prepared to Alder Library Science Center. Major funding from the National Science Foundation, PNC Foundation, addition funding from Spencer Foundation. Big Bird's Adventure, One World, One Sky. Whoa, look at the birds flying.
Wow, wow, wow.
There's Big Bird. Wow, wow, wow.
Hello. Hi, over here. It's me, Big Bird.
Big Bird.
You know why I'm here? I'm going to look at the stars.
Go look at the stars.
See, isn't the sky beautiful?
The sky is beautiful.
Oh, look around. Even behind
The
me.
clouds. Look,
Oh, boy,
the sun.
look. There's the sun.
There's the sun.
Oh, I love the sun. Keeps my feathers warm. Oh, and you know what else? We just saw our
The sun.
first star.
First star.
That's right.
That's
The
right.
star I'm talking about is our
Our
sun.
sun.
The sun is a
The
star.
sun is a star.
Yes, it just looks different from other stars because it's so much closer
Much
than the
closer.
stars we see at night.
Stars we see it.
The sun is the one star.
Sun is the
we
one
see in
star.
the day.
See in the daytime.
Oh,
Oh,
now the sun is kind of getting red and
Starting
orange going. And it's
orange.
lower in the sky.
lower the sky.
What do you think the sun is doing?
It's going down.
You're right. It's setting.
Setting.
Yep, soon it'll get dark outside.
Okay,
But we can't see the other stars until the sun sets. So let's use our imagination
Let's use
and
our
get the sun to
imagination.
set faster. You know how to use your imagination, right?
Yeah, use your
Now
imagination,
let's count
please.
down for 5 and imagine the sun setting faster. Ready? Here we go. 5. Get ready. 4,
3, 2, 1.
Everybody wave goodbye to the
Goodbye,
sun.
sun.
Good night, son. See you in the
son.
morning.
See you in the morning.
Okay, everybody, get ready. It's going to get dark now.
It's getting dark now.
Oh, look around. Can you see any stars now?
I see some
Hey, can you
stars.
see one?
Look at the moon.
I see one. Oh, and I see another one. And wow. Oh, I can see lots and lots of stars.
Lots of
Billions
stars.
and billions.
I know you can't see the stars.
Each one of
Oh,
those
wait, there's the
stars
Big
is
Dipper.
like our sun.
There's the Big Dipper
Far,
right here.
Far away. Nighttime moon and stars.
Well, look at this flashing star.
And bright. Light up all the sky.
Shooting star.
And wide. Warmly glows the sun. A star that shines by day. Stars are like the sun, shining far away. High above the earth, imagine there we are.
I see millions of stars. There's a lot of
We
stars.
fly that far. Hey, you know what I like to do? I like to use my imagination.
Use the imagination.
And make different shapes by connecting stars like this. See those 1, 2, 3 stars?
1, 2, 3.
Well, if I connect them, what shape do they
A
make?
triangle.
Right, a triangle. Now you try it. Pick out some stars and then imagine connecting them into different shapes, like the
A square.
square. 1, 2, 3,
2.
4. A
A
square.
square.
Okay, your turn. Go ahead. Find some other shapes by using your finger, your imagination.
A line.
all over the world look at the stars and see different kinds of shapes. So, what are you gonna make?
A spoon.
What did you make?
A spoon right here.
Hey, that's great imagining and great starting. Nighttime moon and stars, our worlds of wondrous fun. Nighttime moon and stars, shine on.
Shooting stars. I see a big bird.
Let me show you another picture I know. It's made from these 7 stars. Count them with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when you connect them, it looks like a big spoon you dip into a pot of soup.
And
So,
cereal.
This group of stars is called
The Big Dipper.
Big Dipper. Got it? Because it looks like a big spoon in the sky. Hey, do you recognize that voice? Who is it?
Elmo. There's Elmo.
Hi, Elmo.
Oh, Elmo. Look at the town of Sesame Street. Wait, what's that? What's that blue thing? From China?
Elmo, your friend is a tail?
Hoo-hoo-zoo?
Stand up and say hi, Hoo-hoo.
There's Hoo-hoo-shoo.
Hi!
He's a blue pig called Hoo-hoo-zoo. Ni hao.
What did you say, Hoo-hoo-choo?
Oh, ni hao.
Ni
That's
hao.
hi in Chinese.
Hi in Chinese.
Oh, try to say it. Repeat after me.
Ni
Hao.
Ni hao.
Excellent! This is
Sesame Street.
wow, I like it. Buildings are so different from home. Nice
What?
brown stone.
Hey, look, a puppy. What's this? Random guy.
Hong Kong, right back up.
Hong Kong? Look at the puppy. Ruff, ruff. What's this? Chicken right here. They're playing.
These are so lovely. They're good ready too. Pardon me, Mr. Chicken. Oh, nice pie. This is wonderful. I feel like I just walked around the whole neighborhood.
The whole neighborhood.
Well, Hoo-hoo-choo, you did just walk around the neighborhood.
Oh, the neighborhood.
What is China like?
Oh, well, China
China is far away. It's like the most popular country in the world, but it's no longer because India. Look, they're canoeing. These guys are canoeing.
and
Mountains. Look at these cows.
and it has beautiful lakes.
Look at these Chinese buildings.
I live in the city.
The city.
Oh, and one of my favorite things to do is to go to the park
Go to the park.
and play games with my friends.
Wow, that's a pretty pond.
Sounds like fun.
That one goes down on Sesame Street too.
Oh,
Yeah. What was Big Bird talking about before? A soup spoon in the sky?
I know that. He was talking about Beidou.
Beidou.
Qixing.
Xing xing.
Say what?
Beidou. Qixing.
Beidou.
That means the Big Dipper in
Beidou.
Chinese. I see it when I look up in the sky in China.
Oh, well. Elmo wants to see it.
Oh, hey, everybody. Point and show Elmo where the Big Dipper is.
Yeah.
Where is it, everybody?
Right here.
Oh, yes. Oh, there it is.
stars in the spoon. You see them?
2 stars in the spoon.
Excellent! Now, follow the line that connects the 2 stars up into the sky. Yes,
You follow?
go about 2 candles.
The North Star.
And you're there! You see it?
The North Star.
It's called
The North Star.
Beijing.
Beijing.
It's not very bright, but it's my favorite because my grandma used to tell me stories about it. Sometimes I even sing to it.
Hey, wait a minute, Elmo knows that song. It's Twinkle, Twinkle,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Sing it to who's your favorite star? The North Star. Okay. Everybody sing with us.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Do you want to hear the same song in Chinese?
Sing song in Chinese.
Yes. Star in Chinese is xing xing.
Xing,
Let's
xing,
say it.
xing, 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 xing.
Now listen closely when I sing and see if you can hear it.
Oh, it's China, Sesame Street in China.
Yeah, and look, you can see the same stars that we see on Sesame Street.
你闪一闪亮星星，满天落地上星星，挂在整个房间里，好像许多小眼睛，一闪一闪亮星星，满天都是小星。Look at the Tokyo sky tree. I couldn't see it because it's dark.
Hey, everybody, you see the moon anywhere?
I see it right here, right next to you guys. Yeah.
Elmo thinks Boo-Shoo just said something in Chinese again.
Oh, I said hello, moon.
Hello, moon.
Yeah, yeah, means moon. Repeat.
Meow,
after me.
meow.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Hey, let's all really look at the moon.
Uh-oh.
Elmo, Boo-Shoo will help you, Big Bird.
That's better.
Thanks, guys. That shape is called a crescent.
Crescent.
Wait, the moon sometimes makes Elmo think of a nursery rhyme. Hey, the cat in the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon.
The cow jumping over the moon. Look, it's changing colors.
We have a story in China about a white
White
rabbit
rabbit.
and the moon.
Hopping in the moon.
Well, I wonder what's really up there.
What's
Are
really
there
up there?
trees or flowers or
Trees,
animals?
Big Bird, Boo-Shoo, has anybody been to the moon?
Oh, I know. People went to the moon in a spaceship.
Spaceship. Oh, look, a rocket ship.
Hey,
3, 2, 1, blast off. Look, Buzz Lightyear is going to space.
Really nice. Well, Elmo wishes he could blast out to the moon and find out all about it.
Use your imagination.
Elmo doesn't have a spaceship.
Use your imagination.
Wait.
What, Big Bird?
I have an idea. Why not use your imagination
That's what I said.
to get to the moon?
Yeah, that's how to get to the moon. Let's do it.
you can use your imagination to go anywhere.
Use your imagination to go anywhere.
Elmo and Boo-Shoo, okay? Use your
Elmo and
imagination.
Hoo-Shoo
The moon is really far away.
really far away.
Imagine Elmo and I are up on that big crescent moon.
Big
okay?
crescent moon.
Are you imagining?
Yes, I'm imagine.
I am.
Wait, we're going up to the moon.
Keep imagining.
For imagination. Wait, we're going to the moon. Oh, here we go. Whee! We're in the moon. Look, Elmo and Elmo Zoo. Excellent.
The moon doesn't look anything like where we live.
You can say that again.
The moon doesn't look anything like where we live.
Elmo can't see any trees or flowers or animals.
No trees, no flowers, or animals. A whole different world.
Elmo and Elmo wear these helmets.
You have to
I
wait.
know. Because there's no air up here on the moon.
There's no oxygen on the moon.
To give us air to breathe.
We need to breathe through this
We
helmet.
can do on the moon.
Ooh, I wonder if I can fly a kite on the moon.
Look, a flying a kite. Look, they're using it as a bird.
Oh, look how high it's flying. The kite!
The kite.
Let's try to fly this time. Okay, all right, here we go. Yeah, okay.
Wait,
Run fast. Fly the kite. Fly.
it's not flying.
It's just dragging on the ground. How is this dragging?
It dragged over the ground.
Wind to fly a kite, right? If there's no air to breathe, and wind is moving air.
Elmo understands. If there's no air, then there's no wind to fly a kite.
I'm flying.
Look, they're jumping.
Elmo is too. Look what happens when Elmo runs.
Oh, look! You hop
Yeah.
and jump.
Hop and jump.
Elmo can really jump.
So I'm gonna tell you while they're jumping. The first person that landed on the moon is Neil Armstrong. Look, there's a hole right here.
Oh, look, a hole.
A crater.
Crater.
Crater? Let's jump in the crater.
Good idea. We're hopping in craters.
This is so cool. That was fun.
Lot of fun.
Can Elmo play soccer on the moon?
You can play soccer on the moon.
Wow, that's a cool soccer ball.
It's a cool soccer ball.
No. Oh. Time to kick it, Elmo.
Kick it.
Okay, Elmo. Here Elmo goes.
Okay. Wow, look at this.
Look, the ball.
Look how far.
You can be on my team anytime, Elmo.
Okay, thanks, Google Q. But Elmo never kicked a ball that far on Sesame Street.
Yeah, everything moves differently here. Pretty strange and really cool.
Really cool. Oh, look, even the moon is different. It's so blue and much bigger.
That's our Earth.
Elmo, we are on the moon. That's not the moon.
That's
Hey,
Earth.
everyone, do you know what that is up in the sky?
Earth.
Tell Elmo.
Elmo, that's Earth.
It's our home. It's
Earth.
It's where Elmo and Google Q is. Sesame Street is up there too.
Look, I can see my country.
Wow, China's
Oh,
down
and then
there.
the United
And United States is where Sesame Street is.
the oceans look blue.
Ocean is blue.
But you know what they say about the moon? We can still see the stars.
We can still see the stars?
Elmo's up in the sky with the stars. Elmo misses Sesame Street and Elmo's friends. Elmo's pet girlfriend, Dorothy. You know what, Lucio? Elmo wants to go back home.
Me too. I miss my parents and my friends.
And don't please.
Elmo loves them too.
Use your imagination.
Wanna come home? Just
Use
imagine you're back on Earth.
Imagine you're back on Earth.
Good idea.
Just imagine.
Not again.
I'm gonna do it. There, that's better.
Well, you're welcome, Big Bird.
Why didn't I think of using our imagination? Oh, hey, everybody! We will need some imagination help again.
Oh, yeah.
Let's use our imagination.
Back on Sesame Street with Big Bird.
I'm imagining.
Oh, here we go. Back on Earth. We're going back on Earth. I'm imagining. Oh, here we go. Back on Earth. Woo!
You have excellent imagination.
So, how was the moon?
Very different, but cool.
It was different but cool.
A rabbit or a jumping cow.
Elmo's still not to look at it. And who was your favorite star? Where is it again?
We have to show them, everybody.
Okay.
The North Star.
That's right.
Elmo sees it, thank
The North Star.
Hey, why don't we call the North Star our friendship star?
Our friendship
That
star.
way when Boo Boo Choo goes back to China,
Choo goes
we can
back to-
all look at the same star and remember our night together stargazing.
Okay,
That'll be our own friendship star.
let's sing
Because
it.
Even though we live in two different places, we see the same star.
Yeah.
Have you ever noticed all the twinkly stars? Well, does you ever notice? Open up your eyes and see what a great adventure it's gonna be. See the moon where I live.
Elmo sees the sun
Shine in the darkness. It's wonderful we can shine. Let imagination take it, yeah.
Hey, what's that glow in the sky?
Wait, it's the sun. The sun is going up.
Hey, it's the sun, our daytime star.
Daytime star.
It will be a new
It'll be a new day.
Wow, it's been amazing to be starting.
Amazing.
Remember, wherever you live in the world, look up at the moon and the stars.
We'll watch it too.
One,